Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog again. And today, in this vlog, I will review my module. It's tell about exam for CCNA. Okay, let's get started. Sorry. Okay, for number one, the first question focus on identifying the routing protocol that utilizes the Dijkstra algorithm. For the correct answer in this question is C, OSPF. Why I choose OSPF? Because OSPF is a link state routing protocol that uses the Dijkstra algorithm, also known as the shortest path first or SPF algorithm, to calculate the most efficient path to a destination. In contrast, AGRP relies on the dual or diffusing update algorithm, while RIP uses the distance factor Bellman-Ford algorithm. Okay, but here I make with Indonesian accent, but it's okay. Okay, next we continue in number 2. For question number 2 is talk about addresses the configuration of an access port for VLAN 10. For the correct answer is B. Why I choose B? First, you must set the interface mode to access using the switch port mode access command, and then assign the specific VLAN ID using switch port access VLAN 10. Other options like trunk are meant for links carrying multiple VLANs, not for connecting a device to a specific VLAN. Okay, that's for explanation about the answer in number 2. Okay, next. This is about net mapping. Okay, for question number 3, ask about the type of net that perform a fixed one-to-one mapping. For the answer is C. I choose C because static net creates a permanent one-to-one mapping between a private internal IP and public external IP. Conversely, path or port address translation and net overload allow multiple internal devices to share a single public address by utilizing different port numbers. Okay, so that's explanation about number 4 and number 3. Sorry. Okay, next. This is about oh, sorry. I will change this. Okay, for question number 4, concern the addressing size of IPv4. For the correct answer, I choose A, 32 byte. Why I choose this? Because an IPv address consists of 32 bytes, typically represented in 4 octets of 8-bit each. This is fundamentally different from IPv6, which utilizes a much larger 1000 to 28 1000 to 28 bit address space to support the growing number of internet connected devices. Okay, so I choose this point 32 byte. Okay, next question is about VLAN. Okay, for question 5 is what? Oh yeah, for question 5 it's talk about VLAN. For the correct answer is B. Okay, here as you can see B. Why I choose B? Because by implementing VLANs, network administrator can break down a single large flood broadcast domain into smaller, logically isolated subnet. This isolation changes both network security and overall performance by reducing unnecessary broadcast traffic. So that's the explanation about question number 5. Next, continue in number 6. Question number 6 identifies protocol at the transport layer or layer 4. For the correct answer is TCP. Why? Because both TCP and UDP reside at the transport layer of the OC model. Other options represent different layer. IP is at network layer 3. Ethernet is the data link layer 2, and HTTP function at the application layer or layer 7. In here, this is the explanation like this. Okay, now you can see why the reason why I choose TCP for number 6. Okay, next. Wait, I'm drinking something. Wait, yes. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, next we continue in number 7. Okay, for here is about show comment. Question number 7 cover the comment show IP interface brief. For the correct answer is B. Why? Because this comment is essential for troubleshooting, because it provides a concise overview of all interfaces on a Cisco device, displaying their IP addresses, status up or down, and protocol status in a single table. Okay. Next, this is about private IP class C. IP private class C. Okay. For the correct answer is C in here, because the range in this answer through 192.168.255.25 is explicitly reserved for Class C private networking, allowing for internal network communication without needing a registered public IP address. Okay. Next, in number 9. Oh, number 8, number 9. Okay. Sorry. Okay, next is in question number 9. It focused on the protocol for name to IP resolution. Okay, for the answer in number 9 is B, DNS. Why? DNS act as a phone book of the internet, making easy to remember domain names such as google.com to their corresponding numerical IP addresses that computer use to route traffic. Okay, that's explanation about number 9. Okay, for number 10, question number 10 defines the concept of a native VLAN. Okay, as you can see in here, for the correct answer is B here. B. Why I choose B? Because in a trunk link, the native VLAN is the one that carries traffic without and without and this I don't know what English say, without and this tag. This is critical for backward compatibility and managing traffic. This is not a signet to any specific VLAN. Okay. Next. Question number 11 asks about automatic IP addressing service? The answer is B. Why? Because DHCP simplifies network administration by automatically assigning IP addresses, subnet mask, and default gateway to device as they connect to the network. Okay. Next, in question number 12 is asked for the bit count of a MAC address, and the answer is B. Why I choose B? Because a media access control or MAC address is a physical addresses consisting of a 48 bits, which is represented as 6 bytes, usually written in hexadecimal format. Okay, that's expression about number 12. We continue in question number 13. Is in 13 is talk about addresses saving configuration to non-volatile memory. The correct answer is D. Boot. Wait, D. Oh yeah, D. Okay. Why I choose D? Because copy running config startup command copy running config startup config and the shorthand command write memory or write mem are functionally equivalent and are widely accepted in Cisco EOS to save your current configuration to the startup config in environment. Okay. Next, in question number 14, ask for a secure remote access protocol. For the answer is B. I choose B in here, SSH, because SSH is the industry standard for remote administration because it encrypts the entire session, protecting sensitive information. Telnet is considered insecure because it transmits data in plain text, making it vulnerable to eavesdropping. Okay. Next, in number 15. In question number 15, explain the use of access control list or ACL. For the correct answer in this number is B. To filter traffic and profile in English, say. Okay. Why? ACL acts as a set of rules applied to router interface that inspect incoming or outgoing packet, allowing or denying them based on criteria like source IP, destination IP, or port number. Okay, that's for expression ACL. Okay, next question in 16. In 16, ask about for a device that operates at layer 3, and the correct answer is C. Why I choose router in here? Because the reason is, unlike hubs or layer 2 switches, router function at the network layer 3 of the OSI model, making forwarding decision based on destination IP address. Okay. Next, in question 17, ask which option is not a routing protocol. For the correct answer in here, in this number, this is TCP or D. What the reason? While OSPF, AGRP, and RIP are all protocols used to determine routes for data packet, TCP is a transport layer protocol responsible for connection-oriented communication. Okay, that's explanation why I choose this point, TCP. Okay, next in question number 18. For question number 18, I choose the correct answer is A. Converting IP address to MAC address. Wait, MAC, I forget. Okay, why I choose this point? Because when a device knows an IP address but needs the physical hardware address to communicate on the local network, it uses it uses ARP to request and resolve the MAC address. Sorry, before I just say ARP, but like this, ARP. Sorry. Okay. Next, in question 19 is a talk about define full duplex mode. For the correct answer is C, because unlike half duplex, which is like a walkie-talkie where only one side can talk at a time, full duplex allow a device to send or receive data packet at the same time. Okay, that's why I choose C. Wait, in here hantar dan terima sebentar. Oh, okay, this is in Indonesian action, but in English action is allowing simultaneous transmission and reception of data. Okay, for the last question, in question 20, ask for the EAA standard for a VLAN. For the correct answer in the last question is B. What it is? 18 IQ. Okay. Why? Because EAA and this answer is the international standard used for VLAN tagging on Ethernet networks, which allow switches to identify which VLAN a frame belongs to as it traverses a trunk link. Okay, that's all explanation about my my module exam for CCNA. This is my also, by the way, this is also my excitement mingguan, okay, for my director. Okay, but I made in this morning because I always I forgot to make a video review about my module. Okay. And here I create another like penutup. This is the what materi it will coming in CCNA or like Modul is VLAN, STP, OSPF, AGRP, NAT, ACL, IPv6, wireless, and security. That's for CCNA, exam CCNA. For your study, before you do exam CCNA, first you train subnetting, train troubleshooting, or make a super lab like me. Before I make 11 super lab in my module before. Okay, maybe that's all from me for review module exam for CCNA. Okay, maybe just that. Okay, see you in my next vlog. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.